So I'm particularly excited about this next section of our programme, as this slot looks at the reflections of a couple of key experts on their take on being connected, particularly with regard to consumables, parts and manuals. So firstly, I'm honoured to welcome, albeit by a recorded message, I'm honoured to welcome Li Bing from the Ministry of Health in China to talk about a regional approach. And here we go.
Hello, everybody. I'm Li Bing from Shanghai, China. I'm very glad here to make the presentation for you. My topic is about the regional approach of medical quality control in Shanghai last years. I'm senior engineers in the in-house engineers for more than 30 years. So working for the radiology department and the equipment department, engineers department. As you know, Shanghai is at the east part of China. The Shanghai total have 24 million populations, and there are over 400 hospitals. There are 122 level 2 and level 3 big hospitals. There are over 1,000 in-house engineers in these top hospitals. Our medical equipment management quality control center was set up by Shanghai Municipal Health Bureau in the 2005. The quality control center is responsible for top 122 hospitals over all the Shanghai. In the last year, in the time of COVID-19, we developed technical guidance. First, we formulate the technical proposal of infection control for ventilators, including the ventilator from the Durga, PB, Macquarie, Mandarin, and VMANS. We make some simple procedures for reprocessing and disinfection of the ventilator after use, and also recommended replacement list of easily contaminated parts. Second, we do the formulate protective clothing emergency reinforcement proposal. In the last year, February, the Shanghai whole hospitals facing shortage of the medical protective clothes for total fever clinicals in Shanghai. We are ordered by the Shanghai anti-epidemic headquarters. They asked us to make the proposals to reinforce the protective clothes. Within 22 hours, we completed design of a protective clothes transformation, sample testing, transformation guidance schedule, adhesive tape, material procurement, technical video production, and transformation material distribution. So after that, all the favor clinics in Shanghai have totally used this transformed piece over 100,000 pieces. Now, third, we formulated recommended configuration of medical equipment in the favor clinic and isolation ward, including the medical imaging equipment, testing equipment, life support equipment, disinfection equipment, protective equipment. All make these configurations. 4, we develop a medical equipment quality control guideline. In the April, we together with Jiangsu, another province, Zhejiang province, Anhui province quality control center together make the formulation of the guideline on the quality control of the medical equipment in the Yangtze River Delta during the pandemic. We including this guideline, including the system improvement, standardized process, clean and disinfection, innovative application, and personal training. And also we make some change our quality control inspection method in the last year. First, we changed of the inspection method. We have using the electronic data upload instead of on-site inspection. Also, we recommended hospitals and manufacturer service engineers to update the data to the quality control center web server. And also we do some adjustment of main point. We strengthen the on-site inspection of the ventilators, emergency supply, and epidemic prevention material. This is very important for the anti-pandemic. And third, inspection through the system data. We organized some specificers to make the quality control through the inspection clause by viewing by the expert from uploading database, reducing workload on the on-site inspection. This we promote the regional medical device quality informationalization. From the 2015, we start to the systems. In the 2017, we started the information of QC inspections. And in the 2015, our quality control center have a development system to manage the maintenance data of the CT and MR systems in all the Shanghai. These systems covers 120 hospitals. And 2017, we have make the informationization of the quality control inspections, including the CT and MR systems. And in 2018, we can photograph and electronic signatures for each testing. So we can make the electronic record for each checking. And in the 2019, we can make the hospital's data upload to the system and make the comparison from different hospitals' data. So we can, in this year, we can make the constructive analysis. After this 5 years, we years by checking the CT and MR systems in the Shanghai, we can find the originally in the 5 years ago in 2015, the pass rate of CT is only 32% and MR is 60%. And this last year, the pass rate is about 94% and 88%. It's increased significantly. It means our major method is very efficient. Also, the maintenance, we have sent an engineer to check the maintenance data, maintenance recording, find that this makes some evaluation of this one. And we can find the maintenance quality score of large equipment increased from the 2015 to 2019. We can find the different manufacturer, United Imaging, Philips, Siemens, Canon, and GE. This score is increased. Yeah, and in the future, we can say the regional medical management quality control perspective. We from the start from the internal management. Then second step is operating monitors for this support. And third, we make the supply chain and the service evaluation, make the after sales service. And the fourth step is training and make certifications of our clinical engineer. And this years we make some evaluation and the technology assessment. In the future, we need to use more intelligent management, including IoT and digital twin technologies to make the monitoring these large equipment, including CT and MR. Thank you. Thank you for listening. That's all.
Great, that was fantastic. Wasn't that a fantastic presentation? It's a real shame Li Bing couldn't be with us today, timings and everything, because that was a really informative presentation, and I'm sure lots of issues were raised there that would have stimulated quite a lot of questions. Particularly, I thought
Danny is actually with us for later.
Fantastic.
Although it's after midnight, we're in Shanghai.
Oh, that's great.
Keeping you awake. In which case, I will say that we'll have a chance for questions in a minute, because I'm sure there'll be several about that presentation. But we'll take them at the end. In the meantime, we'll move on to our next presentation.